Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unblock your Facebook account. So you might be seeing an interface like this where it is saying your account has been logged. It's just a picture, my account is not logged, but I'm going to show you how you can unblock it. Alright, so what will you need to do is, you need to go to the app, or you need to remember that you can't do that from the app. So you need to go to the browser and type there that Facebook account logged. You just need to type on this browser and you will see this link here. Simply click on it and click on the first link and just simply click on the no button here. You will be able to see no. I have to change the language here. I don't know which language is that. Alright, it's Marathi. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna refresh it. Alright, so there you will see two options. One option is saying no. Simply click on it and then you need to click on other, and here you just need to simply ignore the language. You just need to simply click on no and then other. And here is the important part, you need to write your problem here. So simply write my account has been locked, kindly unlock it. Make sure the words are concise like this, not long paragraphs. Now just simply write your name. So I'm gonna write my name here. And write your email. Alright, now simply click on submit. And within 24 hours they will contact you and hopefully your account will be unlocked. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.